Attorney, kailangan ko pa rin po ba magpasa ng resignation letter kahit tapos na ang kontrata ko? Hi guys, this is Attorney Emma and papag-usapan natin kung kailangan nyo pa ba ng resignation letter kung yung employment ninyo is for, sabihin natin, for a specific period. Bakit? Kasi meron tayong 3 kinds of employment na ends at the time na nakalagay sa kontrata or at the time na matapos yung project. Meaning, meron tayong fixed-term employees, meron tayong project employees, then meron din tayong seasonal employees. Ang fixed-term employees, by the term itself, may fixed period lang siya. At the end of the period, tapos na ang contractual relations or tapos na ang employment relations mo. Pag project-based, dapat nakalagay dyan na merong specific term kung kailan matatapos yung project or basta matapos yung project, katulad ng mga construction workers natin. Whereas yung mga seasonal employees naman, by the word itself, it depends dun sa season. Kung anihan, pagkatapos ng ani, tapos na po yung seasonal employment or yung trabaho mo with your employer. So, depende po yan. Kung regular employee ka, of course, kailangan mo pa rin mag-submit ng resignation letter with the 30-day period for rendering. Pero kung fixed term, project-based, or seasonal employee po kayo, hindi nyo na po technically kailangan mag-file ng resignation letter unless stated otherwise po sa employment contract niyo. Okay guys, so alam nyo na.